Welcome to the world's shortest Canva course. I'm going to show you only those things or effects, tools you really need to know for your content creation journey. You're excited, right? So yeah, let's go. This is the home page when you visit Canva for the first time. In the middle, we have all of the things related to templates, recent designs. On the left hand side, it's basically for organizations. You can have your templates, you have your projects, teams, you can control from the left side. And on the top right side, you have your profile picture. From there, you can have settings for your profile, and then you can create your design right from there as well. YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, we have the thumbnail size right there, and you can select custom size, and you can import your file, your Canva file from your local PC. I'm gonna use the YouTube thumbnail. Click on this and it will open up in a new tab. And this is the place where you will be spending most of your time. Left hand side, you're gonna have different options that you're gonna need in your design. In the design tab, you're gonna have your previously used templates or a collection of templates. And the elements tab, you have different AI thing over there. You have a sticker. All of the elements will be there. The text tab, you're gonna have the text styles. For the brand, if you are on the Pro plan, you can actually have your brand kit over there. And for the upload section, this is the place where you're gonna upload your own images into Canva. Now let's do a quick import of our image. To import a file, you have two options. You can either grab the file and just drag and drop into the canvas and it will automatically upload it. Or you can simply go to upload files and you can choose your files that you want to upload. As we have our file over there, I can then show you the next step, and that is editing the image. If you look at the top bar, you have edit image, flip, information icon, and border style, animation, position. This is the alpha, or you can say transparency icon, and you have the log icon. Let's start with the edit image. So if you click here, you can have bunch of options. From there, you can choose filters, you can have effects, like if you want to have do or don't, you can just click it and it will be happening in your actual image. Then you have mockups. Whatever design you have, you can actually put them in your mockup. If I give you an example like this, if I click this, suppose I want to add this image into our mug. As you can see, we have our image into the mug. Then you can later do adjustment over there, here, and it will be good to go. You can change the color of the mug. I'm just going to pick blue and apply changes, and you can see your changes already been done in the mug. Let's import another image because I want to show you the layer option. Here is the another image. Suppose I want to bring the image at the back of the mug. What I'm gonna do, right click the image, go to layer and then send backward or send back. See, it already went to the back. If you click the layer and then choose show layers, it will show all of the items over this area. Okay, this will be a handy tool to keep in mind. If you are creating a thumbnail design, this will come in handy. Flip the image like horizontally or vertically, and you can add border if you want. Rounded the border, then select the border color and you can animate this. I'm not going to show you in this video. Then you can go to transparency and you can adjust the opacity of the image, and that's it for the image. Now if you want to have your image into a certain type of shape, then what you need to do, go to the elements tab, scroll down, and from there you will find frames. Then go to select all and you can then drag and drop any image. Then you can just simply drag and drop your image into the canvas and it will upload the image. Then click and drag the image until you can see it snap into the shape, and then double click the shape, and then you can do other things like rotate the image and you can make it smaller, fit into the canvas, and that's it. You will have a perfectly shaped image. The text tab, click the add heading, or you can choose a predefined style from here and then double click the text and you can write whatever you want. I'm gonna say loose. Then you can select the text, go to the top, and you can change the font at your desired look, the Canva sense, and then you can increase the size from here, change the color from here, make it bold, italic, underline, strike through, make it uppercase or lowercase, alignment, adjust the spacing in between the letters or the line spacing, and then you can have effect. From there you can choose different kind of effect. I mean, these effects are pretty and they are very easy to use. Just click on the effects and you're good to go. Unfortunately, you can add multiple effects. If you want to add multiple effects into your text layer, you need to duplicate the text layer, paste the image, then align it and do the effects onto the new layer. Now we are going to explore advanced options of our Canva. Go to the magic media option, and from there you can actually generate your image, your graphics and videos from your text. Whatever you're thinking in your mind, you can just type it down and you can select the style you are looking for, and it will generate the things without any cost. For example, I'm gonna create, okay, you know what, I don't have any idea, so I'm gonna just click inspire me, cute, adorable, little, multiple, interior lighting. Okay, let's go with this one, and I'm gonna choose anime, a square, generate image, and let's wait until AI is done with the generation. And as you can see, the images are pretty damn good. Wow, I really love this one. Just drag and drop into the canvas, and you can generate graphics, you can generate video. Let's try for a video. Abstract shapes in the style of 2D animations, generate video. There you go. We have our AI generated video. Let's take a look. It's kind of nice. It's pretty simple. If you go more detail with the AI prompt, it will be much more good, to be honest. Move to the next one. Select the image, go to edit image, go to magic edit on the left hand side, then choose click and wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, when you hover over the subject, it will have that purplish look. Then click the image and you can type whatever you want. Basically what it does, it will analyze the image and it will have the subjects, objects, everything, and when you click on this, you can do whatever you want with that particular subject. I'm gonna say make this cute dog in pink color, and then hit generate and wait for a few seconds. There you go, you have your dog in pink color. You can select from different variants, you can generate more. Let's move to the template option. If I go to the home at the left hand side, select templates, and from there you can have a bunch of templates made by professionals. You can see you have animated templates, you have Facebook posts, logos, story, everything made available for free, and you can just simply click them, edit the text, and you're good to go. Let's choose this one, click customize this template, then double click the text and write your own. You can drag these points to fit the text, then adjust the position. Let's save it, and that's the last thing for this tutorial. Go to the share option, go to downloads, you can select PNG or JPG. I would suggest to use PNG, then click download, and we're good to go. That's pretty much it. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Peace.